Welcome! If you want to create a private voice channel on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through every step to set up a private space for you and your friends or team, all from your mobile device. First, open the Discord app and head to your server. If you're not already on your server, tap the menu and select it from your list. Once you're in your server, look at the top of the screen. Tap either the three dots or the server's name. This opens up the server menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Next, tap on Channels. This is where you'll see all your existing channels and where you can create new ones. To make a new channel, tap the plus icon. When prompted, choose Voice Channel as the type. Give your channel a name that makes it easy to recognize. Now, here's the important part. Look for the option to toggle on Private Channel. This ensures that only selected people can join and see the channel. When you turn this on, Discord will ask you to choose which roles or individual members should have access. Take your time and select only the people or groups you want to include. This is perfect for private meetings, team chats, or just hanging out with your closest friends. Once you've set the permissions, tap Create or Save to finish. Your new private voice channel will now appear in your server's channel list, but only the people you selected will be able to see and join it. And that's it. You've just created a private voice channel on Discord Mobile. Now you can enjoy secure, invite-only conversations, whether you're planning an event, running a study group, or just want a quiet place to chat. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a private space on Discord. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.